Welcome back to my channel, and today we have going to be doing the third layer. We have solved 2/3, and so yeah. So you might have a line, an L, or a cross. Our job is to get to that yellow cross. So we're going to go front clockwise, up on the right, go left on the top, go back down, bring the top to the left, right, and then counterclockwise. So we got our cross. I know it looks like the yellow solved. It is, but we haven't solved the whole thing yet. And now we need to align our colors up. So we're going to look at one that is not solved. Go up on the right, bring the top to the left, go down on the right, bring the top to the left, go up on the right, bring the top to the left twice, and bring it down. And then line them up. Keep doing it until all of them are lined up. But I gotta say, the third layer is the most hardest. So all of mine are lined up. I'm going to start looking at the corners. So how you know if they're right or wrong is when you look at a corner, like the one I'm looking at right now, has blue, green, and yellow. This one over here has blue, orange, and yellow. So that's not right. So this one's not right, this one is not right, this one is not right, and this one is not right. So when none of your corners are right, you can hold it any way you want, and go up on the left, put the top to the right, shoot the top to the left, bring up the right, go to the left on the top, bring the left down, go to the left on the top, good. Then line them back up and check your corners. This one is right, this one is not, this one is not, and this one is not. So keep doing it until all of your corners are right. All of mine are solved. And see, we have headlights right here. So we're going to go up on the right, to the left twice, go down, go to the right on the top, and then go up on the left, go to the left twice, go down, go to the left, go up, to the left, down. And your cube is solved. Boom. Hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you liked me solving a Rubik's Cube. It's really quick. And then tune in later for some more videos of mine. Bye!